Standing atop a mountain peak, the distant valley lay silent as night fell, and the stars illuminated the sky. In these moments, he always found himself deep in thought. Why do all things in the world exist in opposition? How can one find balance between yin and yang? In the second chapter of the Tao Te Ching, Laozi explored this principle: beauty and ugliness, good and evil, right and wrong. Opposing forces are mutually dependent. Without ugliness, how can we recognize beauty? Without good, how can we understand evil? This relationship between yin and yang is not just the law of the universe, but also the foundation of human behavior and thought. One night, Laozi ventured into a dense forest filled with questions. Since all things are born from opposites, how can humanity transcend this duality to achieve true harmony? As he journeyed through the depths of the forest, he came upon a massive stone statue. The statue had two faces, one a smiling Buddha symbolizing light and goodness, the other a cold, ghostly face representing darkness and fear. At the base of the statue, 4 characters were carved: Shan A Xiang Yi. Good and evil depend on each other. Suddenly, the ground trembled, the sky darkened, and the mountain wind howled. The statue before him began to shine brightly, as if challenging him. Since you have seen through the ways of the world, how will you break the shackles of good and evil to find the true Tao? Laozi closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and let the wind sweep through his robes. He knew that to answer this question, he must transcend dualistic thinking. As he pondered, the 2 faces of the statue began to spin, alternating between light and dark, until they merged into one, and the boundary between light and dark blurred. The Tao gives birth to 1, 1 gives birth to 2, 2 give birth to 3, 3 give birth to all things, Laozi murmured, as if the answer had revealed itself. The opposition between good and evil, beauty and ugliness, is not meant for conflict but for harmonious coexistence. Only in the balance of yin and yang can the true Tao be found. The statue's light gradually faded, and the world returned to calm. As Laozi gazed at the rising sun on the horizon, he understood. Yin and yang give birth to all things. They coexist. Only by finding harmony in opposition can one grasp the true meaning of Tao. In that moment, Laozi not only broke through the shackles within his mind, but also left a path of wisdom for future generations. Humanity need not be confined by opposition and contradiction. True strength lies in perceiving the fusion of all opposites, like wind and water, sometimes clashing, sometimes harmonious.